I said, give me the, give me all the money and give me the formula to the most powerful serum in the world. I want to be more powerful than what the comics of Marvel perceive Captain America. I want to be more than a super soldier. I want to be a monster. I don't know where the serum is. I can give you all the cash. I can give you what the company like as much cryptocurrency as we got, but I don't know where the serum is. I don't even think it's in this building. Well, I did my research and I saw that the serum was in this building. So give it to me now, or I'm gonna have to use my superpower. Trust me, you don't want to find out the wrath of the sneeze disease. That's not even scary. That's disgusting. Bro, I don't want your germs, man. That's not even a superpower. Everybody has germs. Everybody sneezes. Why is it a disease? Oh, do you hear this guy? Do you? You should have just listened. Stupid. Does anybody else want to get sneezed on? Thanks. Give me the serum. Ah,